The Alchemist is a popular novel written by Brazilian author Paulo. It tells the enchanting story of Santiago, a young Andalusian shepherd boy, who embarks on a journey to fulfill his personal legend. Santiago sets off in search of a hidden treasure, guided by a recurring dream. Along his travels, he encounters various characters who offer wisdom and lessons on following one's dreams. In a small Andalusian village, there lived a young shepherd named Santiago. He was content with his simple life, tending to his flock and enjoying the beauty of the natural world. However, Santiago couldn't shake off a recurring dream that intrigued him. In this dream, he saw a hidden treasure awaiting him at the Egyptian pyramids. Curiosity and a longing for something more led Santiago to consult a local gypsy woman. She interpreted his dream and encouraged him to pursue his personal legend, his true purpose in life. Inspired by her words, Santiago decided to embark on a journey to find the treasure. Leaving his flock behind, Santiago set off to pursue his dream. Along his path, he encountered a mysterious old king named Melchizedek. The king recognized Santiago's quest and imparted wisdom upon him, teaching him about the importance of following one's heart and listening to the omens of the universe. Melchizedek also emphasized the concept of the language of the world, a universal language that reveals the interconnectedness of all things. As Santiago ventured further, he met an Englishman who was studying the secrets of alchemy. The Englishman sought to turn lead into gold, but Santiago realized that true alchemy went beyond mere material transformations. He learned that alchemy was about transforming one's own self, turning ordinary life into an extraordinary one. Continuing his journey, Santiago arrived in a bustling desert oasis called Al-Fayoum. It was there that he encountered Fatima, a beautiful young woman who captured his heart. Although tempted to stay with her, Santiago knew he had to continue his search for the treasure. With Fatima's blessing, he bid her farewell, promising to return. Santiago's journey eventually led him to the Egyptian pyramids, the very place his dream had guided him to. However, upon arriving, he encountered a group of thieves who stole his belongings and left him feeling hopeless. In a moment of despair, Santiago met an alchemist who offered him guidance and wisdom. The alchemist taught Santiago about the importance of the soul of the world, the divine force that connects all living beings. He also shared the concept of personal legends, the unique destiny that each person must fulfill. Through various tests and challenges, the alchemist helped Santiago develop his spiritual awareness and understand the alchemical process of transformation. With renewed determination, Santiago returned to the pyramids, where he finally discovered the true treasure. To his surprise, the treasure was not a literal chest of gold but rather a profound realization. Santiago understood that the journey itself had been the true treasure all along, as it had shaped him into the person he had become. Filled with wisdom and a sense of fulfillment, Santiago returned to the oasis and reunited with Fatima. They shared a deep love and appreciation for each other, knowing that they had both pursued their personal legends and found their true paths in life. The Alchemist is a story that reminds us of the power of following our dreams, listening to our hearts, and recognizing the signs that guide us towards our destinies. It teaches us that the true treasures in life are not material possessions, but the lessons we learn and the connections we make along our journey.